In this video, we will study about the other major concept, that is the managed floating exchange rate. This is also known as dirty floating. Why this is known as dirty floating? What happens in this? See, your exchange rate is determined by demand and supply, of currencies, right? Now, if you're in this central bank or the government comes into picture, if they find that the exchange rate is too high, you know that the exchange rate, this is the exchange rate, it is too high. Now what they will do, the central bank, what they will do, they will start selling the foreign exchange. If they are selling the foreign exchange, which means they are increasing the supply, and this will ultimately help in reducing the rate of exchange, right? If they think that the exchange rate is too low, what central bank will do, bank will indulge in the bulk buying, thus increasing the demand and increasing your rate of exchange. So, in this way, managed floating means your market forces of demand and supply decide the exchange rate, but there are some set rules and regulations that are being followed, and the exchange rate is adjusted. So the central bank comes into the picture and they do the buying and selling in bulk. So this will ultimately affect the demand and supply, major demand and supply of the market in the foreign exchange market. So they helps in the exchange rate, so they can make the exchange rate accordingly. So this is the dirty floating because the central bank is doing and it is becoming a middleman. It is not the exact demand and supply. The rate is decided. It is because of the central bank changed the demand and supply because what the exchange rate they want. So this is what the dirty floating or the managed floating exchange rate is. I hope you have completely understood. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.